Hello and welcome to Tech and Bags. Today we will be talking about one bag travel and more especially about the top 5 things I recommend when one bag traveling. So this is based on my experience. I did a lot of travel for business and for holidays. And more especially this summer I did a 3 weeks travel in the Canary Islands, and so this is based on that. So let's begin right now, and don't forget to watch until the end because the 5th tip is really good. So the number 1 tip is have all packable everything. What I mean by that is, for example, here I have an Osprey Ultralight dry stuff pack, which is a packable backpack that you can find on one of my other videos. So it's very good because you have this in your main backpack, which can be this or this. For example, it's a big backpack that is also luggage. So for daily routine, for daily stuff to go out on a one-day basis, this is a little big. Maybe not this one, but this one. And with this, you can have a small backpack that you put inside your main backpack, and you can do all the daily stuff. So it's really good. You have here one option. The 2 options I have are from Osprey, but you have other stuff from Matador and some other brands. But I really like the Osprey packable backpacks, which are really good. This is kind of the old one, but it's waterproof, and this is the new one. With a little keychain, but it's not waterproof, and yet it has a zip, and this has a lock. Okay, so this was the first tip. This is about packable backpacks, but you can also do this with a packable jacket that I have inside here, and packable everything. I have also a packable tote that is on one of my other videos. So yeah. The good thing about packable is that it takes less space. If you need to put a normal X-PAC inside this, it will eat up space from your main backpack, which is not a good thing if you travel only with this. Number 2 thing I recommend when one bag traveling, it's of course having a good main backpack. And so I will just put this to the side. Here I have 2 options. One I chose for me, and one I chose for my girlfriend. So one you know really well, which is the one on the left. It's a Peak Design Travel Backpack 30 liter. I have a full video on this. So I really like it. I use it for myself. It's 27 liter in a base, in the base setup, and you can extend it to about 33 liter. So when I did the 3 weeks in the Canary Island, I did not use the extra 6 liter, about 6 liters that you can have when you extend it. So I only used the 27 liters. So you really need to be a minimalist expert to do this, I think. And I will maybe do some more videos about how I did it. But yeah. For me, it was possible with 27 liters for 3 weeks. For my girlfriend, not so much. So this is Osprey Fairview 40 liter. I will put this to the side. And it's another option. This is a custom backpack for women. So it's like the position, yeah, it's closed, but the position of the straps and everything are made more for the female like proportion than a man. So this model also exists as a Fairpoint 40, which is the same model, but it's more for everyone and for man. Okay, so this is a 40 liter backpack. It's the same weight as the Peak Design, but it has more capacity. The materials are a little bit different. It's a little bit loose. You have only one main compartment. It looks more like a luggage than my Peak Design Travel 30 liter. So yeah, some people may prefer something that looks more like a travel backpack, like a luggage. and other will prefer like the option of the Peak Design Travel Backpack 30 liter, which is a little bit more customized. Sorry for this. Then the third thing, I will put this to the side. The third tip I can give you is to use a sling bag. I have it right here. So this is the Aer Day Sling 3 from Aer. It's really good. I have some videos on this little sling, and so the goal is that you have this on you, in front of you, and on your back you have the travel backpack. And when you go to the airport, when you are on the plane, when you do stuff, you can access this. It's on you like this, and you can quickly access your item without having to remove your backpack and open everything. Since everything is very tight inside your travel backpack, you have this little thing to put all the daily stuff. And you can also use it when you arrive at destination to use it as a small everyday bag. So this is my third tip. This is the Aer Day Sling 3 X-PAC, but you have a lot of slings today on the market. I also really recommend, I don't have it here, but what is the brand? A brand on Amazon, Tomtoc, sorry. It's a Tomtoc Sling, which is a really hit on Amazon, and now you have a Tomtoc version of this sling with the X-PAC material for like 60 bucks. I think it's a really good option if you don't have a lot of money. This is more like 100 on the X-PAC version. The fourth tip I can give you is something about your clothing. So maybe some people will not really like this, but I really recommend using clothing in Merinos. So this is a Merinos T-shirt. I will show you. If you don't know yet Merinos, it's really amazing. So you can see it here, 100% Merinos, Merino wool. So the good thing about this is that it doesn't wrinkle first, so you don't have to do the ironing. Then it's really breathable, so it's really good. When the temperature goes down, it will keep you warm, and when the temperature goes up, it will not really keep you warm. So it's a good thing. And the best thing is that you can wear it for many days, because the odor doesn't really stay. If you put the same t-shirt at 40 degrees for 1 week, maybe it will be a little bit nasty. But if you wear it for 2-3 days, it's okay. It works. And this is a really good thing, because you pack less. When you pack this Merinos, you will pack less. And one really good thing about this is my experience in the Mas Palomas dunes. So it's a kind of a desert, like the Sahara desert. I did the test. So it was on Mas Palomas, and on another place, I don't remember the name, on another island, it was also a desert. And so on Mas Palomas I had a Merinos, and on the other desert I had a cotton t-shirt. And with the cotton t-shirt, it's like 40 degrees, only sun. You are wet in 2 seconds, and then the wet is still here for the whole day. So you are not so great, like you don't feel so great. With the Merinos, it will dry on you, and you are perfect to continue the day. So really look into Merinos. This is I don't think it's available now, but this is Amazon brand. It's Icaro, and it's really good. This was like 25 bucks, so really good. And what you are all waiting for, the fifth tip, it's about the tree bag. So I will open this right now. You can see my Peak Design Travel Backpack 30 liter. If I open it, I will go on a weekend, so I have it already packed. Here I have my toiletry kit, which is here. So I have another video that you can watch on my channel. But this is a C2 Summit toiletry bag. And it's really, really small. Look at this. A lot of people are using a bigger toiletry bag, sometimes even bigger for women maybe especially. But the question you have to ask yourself is, do I really need all this shit inside? For example, you have a cream that you only wear, like, use once in every 3 months. Do you really need to pack it on you? I don't think so. So the thing is to have a small toiletry bag like me, a very small one. You are compelled to bring less stuff. And this is really good because you will only pack what you really, really need, like a toothbrush, like toothpaste. This you really need. The rest, do you really need the rest? Not so sure. So this was the last tip. Thank you very much. If you liked this video, put a like, please. Don't forget to subscribe. It's really important. And put a comment if you want to have more information, if you want another video like this. I have a lot of tips because I traveled a lot with one bag travel. I love it. So thank you very much. Bye bye, guys.